चलो भाई, देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ।
Chapter Himalay. Chapter Himalay. Chapter Himalay.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
Question 1. Which hill station is called as the Queen of the Satpuras? A. Pachmadhi. B. Nilgiri. C. Mahendergiri. D. Cardamom.
Correct answers is Pachmadhi. In the heart of our country, Madhya Pradesh, there exists a hill station which happens to be the only hill station present in the state. Pachmadhi, also known as Satpura ki Rani or the Queen of Satpura, sits perfectly surrounded by nature, history, and mythology amidst the Satpura range.
Question 2. Which of the following is a block mountain? A. Purvanchal. B. Satpura. C. Himalayas. D. Mahabharat Range.
The correct answer is B. Satpura. Satpura ranges are block mountains formed due to faulting, while Himalayas, Purvanchal, and Mahabharat ranges are fold mountains.
Question 3. The Metricton Everest is situated in the region of A. Assam Himalayas. B. Kumaon Himalayas. C. Nepal Himalayas. D. Punjab Himalayas.
The correct answer is C. Nepal Himalayas. Metricton Everest, the world's highest peak, 8,848 meters, lies in the Nepal Himalayas, on the border of Nepal and Tibet.
Question 4 is what are Kingerbingari Nitimana? A. Passes. B. Rivers. C. Mountains. D. Religious places.
The correct answer is A. Passes. Kingri Bingri and Nitimana are well-known mountain passes in the Himalayan region.
Question 5. The highest peak of South India is A. Dodadbetta. B. Anamudi. C. Mahendragiri. D. Yerkod.
The correct answer is B. Anamudi. Anamudi, 2,695 meters, located in Kerala's western Ghats, is the highest peak in South India.
Question 6. The hill range that separates the state of Manipur from the state of Nagaland is known as A. Arakan Hills. B. Patkai Hills. C. Bareil Hills. D. Manipur Hills.
The correct answer is C. Bareil Hills. The hill range that separates the state of Manipur from the state of Nagaland is known as the Bareil Hills. The Bareil Hills form a natural boundary between the two states and are the highest hill range in Assam as well, stretching between Manipur and Nagaland.
Question 7. Which of the following passes is in Arunachal Pradesh? A. Bomdila Pass. B. Rohtang Pass. C. Bara Lakhan Pass. D. Shipki La Pass.
The correct answer is a Bomdila Pass. Bomdila Pass is located in Arunachal Pradesh and connects the western part of the state with the rest of India. It is an important route in the eastern Himalayas and also holds strategic significance.
Question 8. Which among the following hills is known as the Blue Mountains? A. The Vindhyas. B. The Nilgiri Hills. C. The Himalayas. D. The Aravali Ranges.
The correct answer is B. The Nilgiri Hills. The Nilgiri Hills are called the Blue Mountains because of the bluish hue created by the widespread growth of eucalyptus trees and the Kurinji flowers, which bloom once every 12 years.
Question 9. Consider the following statements. 1. Western Himalayas extend till west of river Kali, whereas eastern Himalayas extend from Kali to Brahmaputra river. 2. Western Himalayas have less biodiversity in comparison to the eastern Himalayas.
3. Altitude is higher in Western Himalayas than the Eastern Himalayas. Which of the above statements are correct concerning the comparison of Western Himalayas to Eastern Himalayas? A. Ek only. B. Do only. C. Do and teen only. D. Ek and do only.
The correct answer is D. 1 and 2 only. Explanation. Statement 8. The Western Himalayas extend west of River Kali, and the Eastern Himalayas extend from the Kali River to the Brahmaputra River. So statement 8 is correct. Statement 2. The Western Himalayas have less biodiversity compared to the Eastern Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas are much wetter with dense forests and high biodiversity, while the Western Himalayas are drier with less biodiversity. So statement 2 is correct. Statement 3. The altitude is actually higher in the Eastern Himalayas than in the Western Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas include peaks like Kanchenjunga, which is higher than most peaks in the Western Himalayas. So statement 3 is incorrect. Therefore, statements 1 and 2 are correct, making option D the correct choice.
Question 10. Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of A. Shivalik, B. Trans-Himalay, C. Central Himalay, D. Lesser Himalay.
The correct answer is D. Lesser Himalay. The Pir Panjal range is the largest and most significant range of the Lesser Himalayas. It runs parallel to the Greater Himalayas and forms an important mountain system in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh.
Question 11. In which of the following region the metric ton, Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri mountains are found? A. Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Himalayas. B. Central Nepal Himalayas, Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. C. Assam Eastern Himalayas. D. Kumaon Himalayas.
The correct answer is B. Central Nepal Himalayas, Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. This region contains the world's highest peaks including Metricton, Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, and Dhaulagiri. The Central Himalayas stretch across Nepal and Sikkim, making it the home of most of the tallest Himalayan mountains.
Question 12. Regarding the Himalayas, which of the following statements are true? 1. Their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. 2. They have come up during the Tertiary epoch under alpine earth movement. 3. The altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. Ek and do only. B. Do and teen only. C. Ek and teen only. D. Ek dashamlav do and teen.
The correct answer is A. Ek and do. The Himalayas are widest in Kashmir, 400 kilometers, and narrowest in Arunachal Pradesh, 150 kilometers. They were formed during the Tertiary period by alpine earth movements and the eastern Himalayas show greater height and variation than the western part. However, the folds of the Great Himalayas are asymmetrical, not symmetrical, so the statement about altitudinal variation being greater is true, but the symmetrical fold statement is false. Hence, statements 1 and 2 are correct.
Question 13. Which one of the following peaks is the highest? A. Nanda Devi. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Godwin Austen. D. Nanga Parbat.
The correct answer is C. Godwin Austen, K2. K2, also called Godwin Austen, is the second highest peak in the world, 8,611 meters, and the highest peak in India. It is taller than Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, and Nanga Parbat.
Question 14. Which of the following statements about the Himalayan mountains is not correct? A. The range lying to the immediate south of the Himadri is called the Shivaliks. B. The Shivalik ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers. C. The core of the Himadri is made of granite. D. Its northernmost part is called the Himadri.
The correct answer is A. The range lying to the immediate south of the Himadri is called the Shivaliks. This is incorrect because the range lying immediately south of the Himadri is the Lesser Himalaya, Himachal, not the Shivaliks. The Shivaliks lie further south.
Question 15. Consider the following statements. 1. The Jaskar range runs roughly parallel to the Great Himalayan range. 2. The Karakoram range is the southernmost part of the Trans-Himalayas in India. 3. The Ladakh range is seen as an extension of the Karakoram range towards the southwest. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.
The correct answer is A. 1 and 3 only. The Jaskar range runs roughly parallel to the Great Himalayas, and the Ladakh range is considered an extension of the Karakoram towards the southwest. The Karakoram, however, is the northernmost, not the southernmost, part of the Trans-Himalayas.
Question 16. Which one of the following is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Himalayas. B. Aravalli. C. Satpura. D. Nilgiri.
The correct answer is B. A. Himalayas, not correct. They are the youngest mountains. B. Aravalli, correct. They are the oldest fold mountains. C. Satpura, not correct. Formed later as block mountains. D. Nilgiri, not correct. Part of younger western Ghats. Final answer, B. Aravalli.
Question 17. The Palghat Gap serves inland communications from A. Kochi to Chennai. B. Madurai to Tiruvananthapuram. C. Pune to Mumbai. D. Bangalore to Mangalore.
The correct answer is B. Madurai to Tiruvananthapuram. Explanation of the Palghat Gap route. The Palghat Gap is a low mountain pass in the Western Ghats, located between Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu and Palakkad in Kerala. It serves as a crucial inland communication route, specifically facilitating connectivity between Madurai in Tamil Nadu and Tiruvananthapuram in Kerala. This route is significant for transportation and movement across the otherwise difficult terrain of the Western Ghats.
Question 18. The Raman Peak is situated in A. Andaman and Nicobar. B. Arabian Sea. C. Shivaliks. D. Jaskar Range.
The Raman Peak is situated in the Arabian Sea. It is a submarine mountain peak located underwater in that region. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Arabian Sea.
Question 19. Consider the following pairs. 1. Pir Panjal Range, Karakoram Range. 2. Dhauladhar Range, Himachal Pradesh. 3. Nathu La Pass, Kumaon Himalayas. 4. Blue Mountains, Eastern Himalayas. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. Only three pairs. D. All four pairs.
Explanation. Ek dot Pir Panjal range is part of the Lesser Himalayas in the Western Himalayas region, mainly in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, not in the Karakoram range. Do. Dhauladhar range is correctly located in Himachal Pradesh as part of the Lesser Himalayas. 3. Nathu La Pass is located in Sikkim near the border with Tibet, not in the Kumaon Himalayas. 4. Blue Mountains are part of the Eastern Himalayan region in northeast India. Answer. Only two pairs are correctly matched 2 and 4.
Question 20. Consider the following statements. 1. Jozila Pass in Pir Panjal range connects Jammu and Srinagar. 2. Banihal Pass connects Srinagar to Dras and Kargil. Which of the above statement S is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 20. Consider the following statements. 1. Jozila Pass in Pir Panjal range connects Jammu and Srinagar. 2. Banihal Pass connects Srinagar to Dras and Kargil. Which of the above statement S is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 21. Consider the following statements. 1. The Shivalik or Outer Himalayas are the southernmost range of the Himalayas and lie between the Middle Himalayas in the north and the Indo-Gangetic Plains in the south. 2. The Purvanchal or Eastern Hills extend from Arunachal Pradesh in the north to Mizoram in the south, serving as India's border with Myanmar. 3. The Kumaon Himalayas, also known as Garhwal Himalayas in the west, lie between the Indus River in the west and the Sutlej River in the east. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. Ek only. B. Ek and do only. C. Ek and teen only. D. Ek, do and teen.
Ek dot Shivalik or Outer Himalayas, correct. They are the southernmost Himalayas, between Middle Himalayas and Indo-Gangetic Plains. 2. Purvanchal or Eastern Hills, correct. They extend from Arunachal to Mizoram, forming border with Myanmar. 3. Kumaon Himalayas, between Indus and Sutlej, not correct. Kumaon Garhwal Himalayas lie between Kali River and Sutlej, not Indus. Final answer, 1 and 2 only option, B.
Question 22. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Nepal Himalayas primarily extend from the Kali River in the west to the Teesta River in the east. Statement 2. Assam Himalayas are lower in elevation compared to Nepal Himalayas. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct and statement 2 explains statement 1. B. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. C. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, but statement 2 does not explain statement 1. D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct.
Explanation. Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1 because the elevation difference in Assam Himalayas is a separate fact related to their geography, not a reason or explanation for the Nepal Himalayas extent. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, but Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1.
Question 23. Consider the following statements concerning the Himalayas. 1. The altitudinal variations of Himalayas are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. 2. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. Ek only. B. Ek and do only. C. Do only. D. Neither ek nor do.
One correct. Eastern Himalayas are higher, steeper and show greater altitudinal variation than the western Himalayas. 2 correct. The Brahmaputra river forms the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Final answer, B. 1 and 2 only.
Question 24. Considering the locations of mountains in India, which one among the following is in the right sequence from south to north? A. Dodh-Betta, Kailash, Dhaulagiri, Vindhyachal. B. Dodh-Betta, Vindhyachal, Dhaulagiri, Kailash. C. Dhaulagiri, Kailash, Dodh-Betta, Vindhyachal. D. Dhaulagiri, Vindhyachal, Dodh-Betta, Kailash.
One correct. Dodh-Betta is in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri Hills, southernmost. 2 correct. Vindhyachal lies in central India, Madhya Pradesh region. 3 correct. Dhaulagiri is in the Nepal Himalayas, further north. 4 correct. Kailash is in Tibet, northernmost. Final answer, B. Dodh-Betta, Vindhyachal, Dhaulagiri, Kailash.
Question 25. Which of the following landforms occupy the northwestern parts of Bihar state? A. Someshwar Hilly Range. B. Kaimur Plateau. C. Nawada Hilly Region. D. Rajgir Hilly Region.
Option A, correct. Someshwar Hilly Range lies in NW Bihar, West Champaran, along Nepal border. Option B, not correct. Kaimur Plateau is in the southwestern part of Bihar. Option C, not correct. Nawada Hilly area is in south-central Bihar, Magad region. Option D, not correct. Rajgir Hills are in Nalanda district, south-central Bihar. Final answer, option A, Someshwar Hilly Range.
Question 26. How were the Himalayas formed according to the provided information? A. Due to the separation of the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. B. Resulting from the splitting of the Gondwanland continent. C. Formed by the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. D. A consequence of the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea.
Option A, not correct. Separation of Indo-Australian and Eurasian plate did not form the Himalayas. Option B, not correct. Splitting of Gondwanland led to drifting of continents, not directly to Himalaya formation. Option C, correct. Himalayas were formed by the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. Option D, not correct. Breakup of Pangaea was a much earlier event, not directly responsible for Himalaya formation. Final answer, option C.
Question 27. Arrange the following mountain ranges from north to south order and select the correct answer from the codes. 1. Dhauladhar. 2. Ladakh. 3. Pir Panjal. 4. Jaskar. Codes A. 2413. B. 4213. C. 2431. D. 4231.
The correct north-south order 2, 4, 3, 1.
Question 28. Which one of the following statements is correct? A. 1. Himalayas were formed due to faulting of the Earth's crust. B. Himalayas are the oldest mountains. C. Himalayas belong to the Caledonian mountain system. D. Himalayas have risen from the Tethys Sea when the sea got compressed.
Option A, not correct. Himalayas were formed mainly by folding, not by faulting of the crust. Option B, not correct. Himalayas are among the youngest fold mountains, not the oldest. Option C, not correct. The Caledonian system is very old, Paleozoic era, and unrelated to the Himalayas. Option D, correct. Himalayas rose from the Tethys Sea when the sea floor got compressed due to plate collision. Final answer, option D.
Question 29. The Himalayas belong to which of the following categories of mountains? A. Fold mountains. B. Volcanic mountains. C. Block mountains. D. Glacier mountains.
Option A, correct. Himalayas are young fold mountains formed by plate collision. Option B, not correct. Volcanic mountains are formed by eruptions of magma. Option C, not correct. Block mountains arise from faulting of Earth's crust. Option D, not correct. Glacier mountains are shaped by glacial erosion. Final answer, option A, fold mountains.
Question 30. Consider the following statements. 1. The Assam Himalayas are lower in elevation compared to the Nepal Himalayas. 2. The western syntaxial bend occurs near Namcha Barwa in Arunachal Pradesh. 3. The eastern syntaxial bend marks the eastern extremity of the Himalayas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and
Statement 1, correct. Assam Himalayas are lower in elevation than Nepal Himalayas. Statement 2 is not correct. The western syntaxis occurs near Nanga Parbat, Pakistan, not Namcha Barwa. Statement 3, correct. The eastern syntaxis near Namcha Barwa marks the eastern end of the Himalayas. Correct answer, C, 1 and 3 only.
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा